Guys, before we get in the video, this is important. If you share your public IP address, people will be able to find your location. Please watch this tutorial if you know what you're doing. With this being said, let's get into the video. Start by going to cmd command prompt, type ipconfig. Here, find your network adapter. In my case it's here, 192.168.0.1. Open a new notepad, because we'll need this for later, so we can say gateway, because this is your gateway, as you can see, gateway, IPv4 is 192.168. Okay, so once you've got these details in, you can open Google Chrome, go to your gateway address right here, and so in 192.168.0.1. now you should find the credentials at the back of your modem. In my case, I've got my credentials. I can just press login. So, once this is all loaded, you should see all this stuff. Okay, after a bit of digging in, for me it was WAN services. So it could be WAN services, it could be advanced. You know, you need to just dig in. Or if you don't want to dig in, you can contact your ISP. So, here's port mapping. It could be called port mapping for you, port routing, port forwarding. Anyway, if it's got this something like show advanced, just click it. And you can find IPv4 port forwarding table. Add a new one. The name, you can just call it Minecraft Java port forwarding protocol TCP and UDP. If you have TCP/UDP, you should use that. If you only have TCP and UDP separate, use TCP. So I'm going to use TCP/UDP. One port. We're going to do a custom, because there are some presets that it's got, 25565, and if it's got something like starting LAN port, starting one port, closing one port, extended one port, all 25565. So keep that in mind. LAN port, the same. Anything that says port, fill it up with 25565. And then select your computer. If you don't know what your computer is called, you can just right click on the start menu and go to system. And here you can find what your computer's called. So mine is S5, C4, SKT, etc. Here. So this is mine. And you can just click the plus, or click add, or something, or it could be save, or yeah, create. For me it's a plus. Here. And now we can, for Bedrock, we can do 19132 and 19133. So let's do it for Bedrock too. Let's assume that we have a Bedrock server we want to join. Add new IPv4. So here we need to write Minecraft Bedrock port forwarding TCP UDP, this one, one port, again custom, 19132. Anything with port must be 19132, and then we need to make another one, and select your desktop, click on the plus, add, create, save, whatever it's called for you again. In case you're using Pocket Mine, let's add another one. By the way, this name is just to make it easy to memorize, not a big deal. Again, if you have only TCP and UDP, just select TCP. I'm going to use TCP UDP since I have it. Go to custom, anything that has port should be 19133, because this is the port from Pocket Mine. So, again mine, let's click on plus, add, that is all good. You can't add to the same name again. So I'm going to call this Minecraft, actually Pocket Mine. Let's click plus again and let's try. There we go. Close. We need to go to this website called whatismyipaddress.com. And we can see our IP address is here. It'll be blurred out, you can only see the last digits, 91, because they can find your location and everything, as I said at the start of the video. Just copy it and put it in your server IP right here. Okay, now you can just save and you can close out of there. This is how to join it if your friends can join and you can't. Basically type localhost, or you can type 0.0.0.0. You guys need to send your public IP to your friends in order for them to join. This is all for this video. If you liked the video, leave a like, share with your friends. If you have any questions, comment down below. Join my Discord server and create a ticket. Subscribe if it was useful. And I'll see you